What is the key benefit of Cuscen manufacturing industry? The first key benefit is improved resource management. Cuscen optimizes the use of personnel, machinery, and materials. By preventing production distributions and balancing resources, it helps enhance productivity and reduce on cost. Next, Cuscen significantly reduces lead times. It provides real-time production information, eliminates bottlenecks, and reduces cycle time. This results in enhanced delivery times and greater customer satisfaction. Cuscen also improves collaboration across departments. It facilitates accurate demand forecasts and production planning, improves communication, and reduces errors, leading to more efficient and cohesive operations. Efficient inventory management is another key benefit. Cuscen integrates seamlessly with purchasing and inventory modules, ensuring the timely availability of materials, lowering inventory costs, and preventing stockout. Cuscen offers real-time visibility into production costs, allowing you to identify cost-saving opportunities. This enhances profitability and competitiveness in the market. Lastly, Cuscen improves quality control. By monitoring quality in real time, it ensures high standards, reduces recalls, and minimizes customer complaints. In summary, Cuscen ERP provides comprehensive solutions that improve resource management, reduce lead times, enhance collaboration, and manage inventory efficiently, control cost, and ensure high-quality standards. These benefits collectively drive productivity, profitability, and customer satisfaction in the manufacturing industry. Thank you.